Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we are going to draw and color cute fruits. First, let's start drawing. We're starting our fruit drawings with an apple. First, we draw the stem of the apple. Then we draw semicircles. Finally, we draw the leaf. And of course, that cute face. We continue our drawing with a banana. We draw the shape of the banana. And that cute face. We finished drawing apple and banana. Let's see what fruit is next. Let's draw the stem. Draw its shape, and guess what fruit it is? Oh, it's a strawberry. And of course, let's not forget its cute face. Let's complete the strawberry drawing by adding dots. We continue our fruit drawings with an orange. We draw the stem, complete the trunk with drawing a circle, and add leaves. And of course, cute face! The next fruit is a watermelon. First, we draw the outer rind of the watermelon. Then, we draw the inside part. We add a cute face and draw the seeds with small dots. Now we can move on to drawing cherries. We draw stems of the cherries. We draw circles under their stems. We add cherry's cute face. All the fruits look amazing. Let's start coloring. Green for the apple leaf, brown for the stem, and red for apple. Now let's color the banana. Yellow for the banana, brown for the stem. Next fruit is strawberries. Green for the strawberry stem. Red for the strawberry. Now we're going to paint the orange. Orange for the orange. Brown for the stem. Green for the leaf. Dark green and light green for the watermelon rind. Red for the watermelon. Our last fruit for today is cherries. Brown for cherry stems. Red for cherries. So colorful and so cute fruits. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.